routine here on YouTube. I normally do it on TikTok, and as you guys know, TikTok is supposed to be getting banned on tomorrow. So you guys gonna start seeing me more here on YouTube. And yeah, so I've already gotten up out of bed. I normally start off on TikTok getting out of bed, making my bed, all that good stuff. So I already got out of bed, already brushed my teeth, washed my face, did all that. I'm just about to go ahead and wash my baby's bottles, and I didn't make my bed yet, so you guys can see me do that. Sorry if I sound a little horsey or whatever. I'm just getting over the sickness. My baby had the flu, and I'm pretty sure I ended up getting it as well. I didn't really have like much sickness besides coughing, and that was just about it. Just coughing for me. She was running fever for like 3 days, and I want to say that was it for her. She just wasn't eating. So fever has broken. She's eating well. So yeah, if I sound a little horsey, whatever, that's why. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get these bottles washed, and then I will see you guys maybe when I'm back in the room or in the middle of washing these bottles. Okay, so now I'm gonna find something for my baby to wear. I don't know what to put on her today because I haven't been outside yet to see like the weather temperature. So I might just do some tights maybe. But I want her to wear some shorts. But then when it gets a little later, sometimes it get cooler. So I'm gonna just do some tights. Let's see. She have these. And she also have them in blue and pink. So let's see. Okay, oh, and the pink ones. So I'm not sure what to put on her. Or I could just do some jeans. She have these, and she has a shirt that goes with it. I would have to find it though. Once I find an outfit, I'll be back with you guys. So she's gonna wear this shirt with these leggings, and I'm gonna figure out what to do with her hair. Okay, so now she's all dressed. I still have to do something with her hair. If I don't, I might just comb it out and then put, excuse me, a headband. But now I have to find me something to wear, and I might just put some jeans on and a shirt or something. I'm gonna see, or I might do some sweatpants. I don't know yet. Let me go look and see what I can find. Bless you. And I'll be back with you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna wear this shirt. I don't have camouflage like cargos. I have camouflage tights, but I don't want to wear those. So I'm gonna wear these black leg pants. These are black with this, and I'm gonna probably wear my black and white dunks. Let me get them and I'll show you guys. These the shoes that I will wear with this outfit. If it don't go, because I'm sure it may go, but if it don't, then I will change my shirt. I do have to take a shower still, so that's why I'm not getting dressed now, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go shower and I will see you guys when I... Okay guys, so I'm out the shower. I did go ahead and do like my edges, and I just gotta put socks and shoes on. Right now, just putting fabrics and then all her little snaps, and then of course extra pair of clothes. Never leave home with a baby without extra pair of clothes. I'm about to go ahead and finish packing this, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm also put her a juicy juice in one bottle because she does eat table food. So, and this not formula, this is whole milk. So yeah.
Hi, are you done eating or here now? Okay. Can I do?
Here, Marta. She really weak and really feeling sick. Come on. Let's go.
You just faced it.
laughing. You just faking, girl. You faking, Momo.
Ain't nothing wrong with
You faking, Momo. Damn me.
So, we're getting stuck with this like snowstorm or whatever, and we're in Aldi. So I'm looking for some tuna. You get tuna?
Yeah, you can get some tuna for the house. Just get 4 cans. But I think I might have some home. Make sure that's not Albuquerque.
No. Y'all all in my camera.
Water.
So guys, they ended up coming to Walmart, and I went to Dollar General, and I picked up some cold drinks. So we're at Walmart, and we're getting just some more stuff. When I picked up a few little outfits for her for summer, so I will show you guys that when we get to the house. But yeah, I just have to go get a few more things out of Walmart, and I may see you guys when we get back to the house. So this is the cart.